how to fix notes future not showing on your Instagram. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy. First step is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Now all what you have to do is go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this. After you search for it, now you have to click here on this update option to update your Instagram and you will get the new feature. After that, all what you have to do now is restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the future must be there. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also leave a comment, why not. And thank you so much for watching until the end, and also please don't forget to subscribe into the channel so we can get into 200k subscribers as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you later.